पणजे भलायकी सेवा संचालनालयान सोमारा जागतीक टीबी दीस मनयलो. टीबी विशीं जागृताय कार्यावळ आयोजीत केल्ली. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Today we observed the World TB Day. Actually, the World TB Day is observed on the 24th of March every year. Today we had a function organized at the conference hall of the Directorate of Health Services, wherein Dr. Zessa, the Deputy Director Public Health, was the chief guest. And in this program, we had two speakers, mainly Dr. Max Disa. He is the Chief Medical Officer of the Tuberculosis Control Program, Directorate of Health Services, Goa, and Dr. Sanjivani Keni. She is the Associate Professor of the Department of Pulmonology, Goa Medical College. Dr. Max spoke briefly about the statistics, the statistic, that is the number of cases that are being diagnosed in the state of Goa, the various types of cases, including the multi-drug resistant cases. And Dr. Sanjivani Keni gave us a detailed presentation on the various methods that are available under the program and also otherwise, wherein we can effectively diagnose the TB cases and successfully treat the various cases using the various regimen of treatment that are under the program.
So many years, in fact over 5,000 years, TB is the oldest disease which still continues, and in spite of all efforts, it's difficult, it has been difficult to control because the bacilli is in the atmosphere, and once it gets into human beings, it spreads one to another. But after all the battles that we find, finally the RNDSP has evolved a strategy to eliminate TB, and the time is given by 2025. So all efforts are being made to eliminate tuberculosis. Next. Now 1/4 of the world's burden is from India, tuberculosis. Next. Okay, now this slide shows the national strategic plan to eliminate TB by 2025. Now if you see the slide carefully, the arrow goes down, dips, and then it goes up. In 2016, the cases were say about 1.5 million. Somewhere 2018, it is climbing, and they expect by 2020, if you read, it's given carefully, carrying for 3.5 million TB cases by 2020. TB cases are supposed to be increased, not TB is not increasing, but the detection of TB.
Using Gill-Nielsen staining, this is the easiest way to diagnose a case of tuberculosis. If you see TB bacilli under a microscope in the sputum of a patient, that means it is a sputum smear positive case of pulmonary tuberculosis. And this is very, very easy if a lab technician is trained. If he can see the sputum under a microscope, then even at the periphery, case of tuberculosis can be diagnosed.